Welcome to the Pariksha Academy. Today's topic is economic, strategic and climatic importance of the Himalayas. Economic, strategic and climatic importance of the Himalayas. Economic importance. The Himalayas are an important foundation of India's economy, providing water, energy, agriculture, forests, horticulture, tourism and various natural resources. The perennial rivers originating in the Himalayas provide a regular supply of irrigation water to the vast agricultural regions of northern India. Sediments transported by Himalayan rivers have played a major role in the formation and continuous renewal of the fertile alluvial soils of the northern plains. The steep gradients and abundant water flow of Himalayan rivers provide enormous potential for hydroelectric power generation. Himalayan water resources are important for drinking water, irrigation, industries and urban water supply. Himalayan forests provide timber as well as medicinal plants, herbs, resins, bamboo and various minor forest products. Variations in altitude and climate make the Himalayas highly suitable for horticulture. Apples, pears, peaches, apricots and walnuts have considerable economic importance. Mountain slopes and high-altitude grasslands are used for livestock rearing and seasonal grazing. The Himalayas support numerous important tourism and adventure tourism centers. Mountaineering, trekking, skiing and nature-based tourism generate employment and support local economies. Religious and pilgrimage centers located in the Himalayas promote transport, hospitality, trade and other local services through religious tourism. Himalayan biodiversity acts as valuable natural capital for medicinal research, ecotourism and local livelihoods. Mountain passes and valleys have served as routes of trade and cultural interaction since ancient times. Some routes continue to be important for cross-border connectivity and trade. Strategic importance. The Himalayas extend along a large part of India's northern frontier and therefore form a central element of the country's strategic geography. Great elevation, snow-covered peaks, deep valleys and difficult terrain create natural barriers that make large-scale military movement challenging. The Himalayas shape India's extensive frontier geography with China, Nepal and Bhutan, while the high mountain regions in the west and east are also strategically sensitive. The border regions of Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh have particular strategic significance. Mountain passes provide limited natural routes through the Himalayan barrier, making their control important for defense, transportation and strategic communication. Development of border roads, tunnels, bridges, airfields and communication networks is essential for the rapid movement of troops, equipment and essential supplies. Control of commanding heights is strategically important because high-altitude positions can provide advantages in surveillance, communication and defense. Several Himalayan rivers cross international boundaries. Therefore, water resources, dams, hydropower projects and the exchange of river-related information also have strategic significance. The location of the Himalayas between South Asia, Central Asia and the Tibetan region influences India's wider geopolitical position. The Himalayas should not be viewed simply as an impenetrable natural defense wall. Modern transportation, military technology and air power make border infrastructure, surveillance and preparedness equally important. Climatic importance. The Himalayas are among the most important physical factors shaping the climate of the Indian subcontinent. They considerably restrict the southward movement of extremely cold continental air masses from Central and Northern Asia. As a result, winters in northern India are relatively less severe than those of Central Asian regions located at comparable latitudes. During summer, the thermal influence of the Himalayas and the Tibetan highlands affects the large-scale atmospheric circulation associated with the Indian monsoon. Moisture-laden winds of the southwest monsoon are forced to rise when they encounter the Himalayan barrier, resulting in orographic rainfall. The Himalayas also prevent monsoon winds from moving freely farther north, helping retain much of their moisture over the Indian subcontinent. The east-west orientation of the Himalayas helps guide the Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon towards northern and northwestern India. The eastern Himalayas generally receive heavier rainfall because of greater moisture availability in favorable relief, while rainfall tends to decrease towards the west. Variations in altitude and slope produce significant local climatic differences. Temperature, precipitation and snowfall may change considerably over relatively short horizontal distances. Temperature decreases with increasing altitude, producing distinct climatic zones ranging from subtropical conditions at lower elevations to alpine and permanently snow-covered environments at higher elevations. Western disturbances bring winter precipitation and snowfall to the Himalayan region, contributing to snow accumulation and supporting the rabi crops of northwestern India. Seasonal snow and glacial ice stored in the Himalayas act as natural water reservoirs and help maintain river discharge during warmer and relatively dry periods. Himalayan snow cover also influences the regional energy balance because snow reflects a substantial proportion of incoming solar radiation. Himalayan forests contribute to the regulation of local water cycles, soil moisture, surface runoff and microclimatic conditions. Climate change is increasing the vulnerability of the Himalayan environment. Changes in glaciers, snow cover and precipitation patterns may affect river flows, water availability and mountain ecosystems over the long term. Thus, the Himalayas are much more than a mountain barrier. They support agriculture and water resources, provide opportunities for hydropower and tourism, shape India's strategic northern frontier, and play a major role in regulating monsoon circulation, temperature, rainfall and river flow. Thank you very much for joining us. For more useful study material, please like and share this video, and subscribe to the Pariksha Academy channel.